Welcome to day one of the rest of your life. Most people fail because they try to build a roof before they lay the foundation. They want the views, the money, and the status, but they haven't conquered the chaos in their own minds. Today we go back to the beginning. We are using the Genesis strategy to build your empire from scratch. It starts with one thing: clarity. In the beginning, light was separated from darkness. Your first task is separation. You must separate your work self from your distracted self. You must separate your goals from your excuses. This means auditing your environment. If your friends don't inspire you, they are draining you. If your habits don't serve you, they are enslaving you. You cannot grow in a room full of people who are comfortable being average. Greatness is commanded, not requested. You need to stop asking life for permission to succeed. Write down exactly what you want this month. Be specific. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers is better than I want to grow. When you are specific, your brain finds the solutions. Command your morning, command your workout, and you will eventually command your industry. This is just the beginning. For the next 30 days, we are going to tear down the old you and build something legendary. If you are committed to this journey, I want you to comment Day 1 below. Subscribe to Rise to Greatness and join the community of creators. Tomorrow we talk about the fall and how to avoid the traps that kill 99% of dreams. I'll see you there.